context that we've experienced together before where you are doing this. So doing this is helpful where you're doing split time, both hands out, and I'll show you from the front view. You're just trying to practice keeping it straight in split time at your horizontal. That might help you get more comfortable with this. The process of having the muscle memory of feeling this might help you fall into it better as you're moving from here to there. Whew. I don't think this is an easy position to hold until you have practiced it. So, I mean, really, we have no context in which we've drilled it. Right. I think this will also be helpful. I know you have worked with upstalls somewhat, but this is, it's the same thing. So we're in that out position, then we're gonna scoop up, switch. Now we're in that out position in overhand, and we're gonna drop. And now we're under, and now over and drop this guy. So bum, 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 shoo, bum, 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 shoo, bum, 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 shoo, bum, 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 shoo, bum, 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 shoo. So just practicing, like I think even just this drill is gonna help for that portion of it where you're practicing the up and drop stalls, the two Jedi.